With a new SharePoint site created, your first question may be, now what? It's a good time to take a brief tour of the basic site settings so you can understand where to control your site and how content is stored. On the site header, a settings menu lists common site actions. These actions are simply direct links to actions found in the main site settings. Let's take a brief tour of this powerful page. There's a lot here in site settings, but don't worry, you won't be using all of these actions, and in other clips we'll detail the ones you will use. In fact, this page is structured in zones with the most common actions right up top, while more technical settings are further down. Under Look and Feel, there are settings for appearance and navigation. And the User and Permissions group is the one-stop shop for all things related to site access control. Getting a bit more technical, the Web Designer Gallery's settings are all about content and templates that can be reused over and over across the site, while the Site Actions section allows you to turn on optional advanced features. Moving down, the settings in the Site Administration and Search areas are reserved for the most technical settings. As the owner of a new site, it's helpful to know how information is stored and what's on the site. So the other important page for site owners is the Site Contents page, found both in the Site Quick Launch and in the top settings menu. The Site Contents page displays icons representing the site's apps, including lists and libraries, and provides a convenient map of what's available on a SharePoint site. This new site has only a basic document library to store members' content. There are also some behind-the-scenes libraries used by content editing features. Site Assets is a library that automatically stores content added to SharePoint pages, such as images, while the Site Pages library is the default location used to store site pages that we'll be creating in another clip. The Recycle bin is the central place to restore items that have been deleted from the site. Workflows lists any custom automated workflows created on the site. Over time, as you begin to add lists and library apps to your site, you'll see everything here, like a table of contents. And finally, Settings takes you back to the Site Settings page, where we began. As you've seen, both Site Settings and Site Contents are the main locations to control your SharePoint sites, and understanding their functions is a first step in controlling your new site.